Hey, hi guys, Pritham here. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add spam control to your contact form 7 in a WordPress website. To add a contact form 7 spam control to a website, I'm going to tell you two methods. The first is going to be adding a quiz to your contact form 7 and second adding Google reCaptcha. Alright, that being said, let's get started. First, you need to go to your dashboard. Add a plugin called Akismet. To add a plugin, go to Plugins, Add New. Search the plugin with the name Akismet. This is the plugin Akismet Spam Control. It's by automatic. Alright, you have to install this plugin and activate it. Once you activate it, you have to go into creating the account with Akismet. Once you create the account, the next step is go to your contact form 7. I pre-assume that you have already installed the contact form 7 and that forms look something like this when you install. This is my blog and this is contact form 7. There are no validations to this form right now except the required fields. Anyone can send these spam messages, so I'm going to try to stop the spam with these two steps. That being said, let's see how you can add a Kismet quiz to this contact form 7. Go to your contact form 7. This is my contact form 7. Click on edit. Here you will see different options. Go to quiz. Before clicking on quiz, click here and then click on quiz. We have to add a simple quiz here. You can give name to your quiz. I'm just going to give it quiz. Now we will add simple math problem and answer here. Before the answer, just put a pipe symbol. This is the right way to write question and answer into this. You can add multiple questions here like okay, we are done. Now just click on insert tag. So here you can see the tag has been inserted. After that, click on save. Now we are all set. Let's check our contact form 7. You don't see quiz here. Let me refresh the page. Now you see here a quiz. So let's test with a wrong answer. Let's input a wrong answer here and let's see. You can see the answer to quiz is incorrect. Now let's enter the correct answer and let's see if we go to thank you page. As you can see, we have landed on thank you page, so that is working. So now let's see the second method, that is adding reCaptcha from Google. All you have to do is go to your dashboard, click on contact and click on integration. Once you click on integration, you will see this window. Here there are three options: send in blue, constant contact and reCaptcha. Send in blue and constant contacts are for collecting the emails of those who have filled your form. We are not going to see that. We are going to see reCaptcha. You have to click on setup integration. Once you click on setup integration, you will see this window. It will ask you for secret key and API key. Now let me tell you how you can generate the secret key and API key. All you have to do is go to google.com/reCaptcha. You will be on this page. Now click on V3 admin console. Once you click here, you will be on this page. I already have generated the API key and secret key for my website. So this is showing me this dashboard. You will see a different dashboard and you will have to enter some details like your domain name, and you have to accept the Google reCaptcha guidelines. And once you do that, you will get a site key and API key. That key you have to insert here and click on save. Once you do that, your captcha will be activated. So on my blog, the captcha is already activated. Let me show you how to know if the captcha is activated. You will see here. If I'm going to refresh one more time so that you can see, at the bottom right corner you will see protected by reCaptcha. All right. So what reCaptcha will do when someone is filling up the form, it will calculate the spam based on some parameters, and if it feels like it is a spam, it will give a test to the user. Like we generally see, it will show some images and it will tell the user like select the mountains or select the cars, and then it will proceed. So this way you can avoid the spam in your WordPress website. So all right, that guys, that was the two methods I'm using in my blog. So if you like this video, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you guys.